These girls are really being loud. Let's get them to leave.
Let's go do this somewhere else.
It worked! It worked! Tori, you ready?
Hey guys!
This is Victoria's like field hockey tournament. This team doing drills. Victoria's team doing hair. This is gonna be a good game. Oh yeah. Yeah! Tori just scored! Yeah, Tori! Tori's team with the second dub of the day. Good job. Daniel Boone team. Victory. Daniel Boone team. Yeah! That hurt. Today is a sad day in the Kane household. These are our pool cover.
Sad day.
Sad day. We're closing up tomorrow.
Sad day.
So the pool is getting closed tomorrow. Dad, if you want, I could just spot you when you fold these up.
No.
I could spot you and then I'll just ride around on this and make sure that you're good.
Yeah, that would be helpful.
Yeah. We just had dinner. Sarah's gonna be over in a little bit. But before Sarah gets here, a quick shout out to Rachel, my cousin Rachel. Her birthday was yesterday. And I didn't vlog yesterday, but here's a birthday shout out. Where are you running? Ooh. Yeah. Looking fresh in the Audi A4. Ooh. Later, Pops. Yeah. Just kidding, I'm still with my dad. The train from Malvern to Temple canceled. Now the Papa's going home. Hey! Alright, Keaton. It's time. Word of the day. Tape. Whoa. Is this a car?
My car.
Ooh.
I'm really sorry, so.
A speed demon right here.